DOB-Academy and Offshore Wind present Horizons, a new series about offshore wind. In this episode we take a look at the next generation wind turbines. Recent biddings for offshore wind farms are historically low. This has sped up the demand for next generation turbines. The driving force in this demand is often a higher rated power and a larger rotor. A common trend is the evolutionary development of a platform. A larger rotor with a modest specific rated power leaves room for upgrading at a later stage. The rated power can be pushed by modifying the drivetrain. A solid supply chain and reputable track record can be achieved by building on the existing platform. Direct drive turbines struggle to reach the same efficiency as gearboxes. Non-torque moments required a large air gap in direct drive turbines. A recent development allows for these non-torque moments to be separated from the torque. Also, the virtual ceiling for direct drive turbine size has been overcome through manufacturing development. Direct drive turbines can now compete with gearbox systems in both efficiency and rated power. Currently, 3-bladed turbines dominate the market, but 2-bladed downwind turbines, multi-bladed turbines, or even turbines with hydraulic drivetrains may play a role in the future energy mix. Thank you for watching. For more information, visit our social media channels.